Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix error code 51. There was an error connecting to the platform, and this is a simple fix. So the first thing you guys can do is simply just close the game and then try to log back in. So close game and then just start the game back up. And if this does not work, the second method you guys can try doing is simply just restarting your PlayStation or your Xbox as well. Do that as well. And if that also does not work, the final method you guys can do is go into settings, go to your Wi-Fi network, go to your connection status first, test your internet connection, check to see if everything is working. Go to settings, flicker this on and off, connect to the internet, and then then go to set up internet connection, go to your Wi-Fi, whatever, or LAN cable. I don't know if you can do it for LAN cable, but go to your Wi-Fi and just play around with the DNS settings, search it up, like the best DNS settings, and change it to that. And once you do all of these things, the error code should be fixed and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.